Hey folks, I didn't know what else to record today, so I thought I'll make a video of showing you how to pick up leaves. See that beautiful magnolia tree in my yard there? Isn't it just lovely? It's not. They suck. I hate magnolia leaves. You know why? They put leaves all over the ground, and they're like rubber leaves. You can't even mow over them. They don't mulch. They don't break. They are invincible leaves. So you have to pick every one up by hand. And that's what I'm going to show you today, how to pick up magnolia leaves. Okay, here's a couple tips on picking up magnolia leaves. First, you need to decide if you're going to listen to music, a podcast, or your favorite audiobook. Once you have decided on that, put in your earbuds so you can listen while you pick up leaves, because nothing is more redundant, repetitious, boring. Nothing is worse than picking up magnolia leaves. Okay, next, you need a big ass kitchen garbage bag. Now, a little grocery bag won't work because this thing is going to fill up like a this thing is going to fill up like the All right, so we ready to pick up some leaves? Let's do it.